Hey, fifth grade, here are chapters 7, 8, and 9 vocabulary words for Bound for Oregon. Lark. A lark is a ground-dwelling songbird that are usually brown in color. Molasses. Thick syrup made from refining sugar. I would compare molasses to a syrup, maybe. Your next word, mirage. A mirage is an optical effect that is sometimes seen at sea, in the desert, or over a hot pavement that may have the appearance of a pool of water or a mirror. So if you look in the image, this back section right here, that is the mirage. Kaws. The Kaw Indian tribe is from Kansas. They moved to be closer to the buffalo of the Great Plains. They had enemies in the Pawnee tribe. Monotony. Monotony is a lack of variety and interest. It's repetitive. Gallinippers. Giant mosquitoes the size of a quarter. And your last word is cholera, an infectious disease, diarrhea, fever, nausea, vomiting, cramping.